everyone, welcome to Rev Sports. I'm Gargi Raut. I'm here at the Kia Oval in all its stubborn, beautiful weirdness. It's one of the best grounds that I have seen so far, but we're here to talk about weather. Ahead of the first day of the final test match of the series, where it all still hangs in the balance. The pitch is covered at the moment, as you can tell. There are dark clouds in the sky. It is match day eve when I am recording this, and it goes out on the morning of the test match. So here is what the weather prediction says. If we look at the London Met Department, they have issued a yellow warning. Now, yellow warning usually means moderate to light to moderate thunderstorms, but rain nonetheless. The first significant prediction starts at 10 a.m. where there is a 50% chance of rain. At 11, it goes up till 70. At 12 p.m., it goes up till 70, until 3 p.m. in the afternoon. It is predicted the chances of precipitation are 70%. So that's high rain and a yellow warning. That these warnings are not just given out for no reason. Back in Manchester, in the days leading up to the fourth test match, there was another yellow sort of warning that was given out, and it did rain quite a lot on that day. So I will not take this lightly. I think there will be a lot of rain, considering, or looking at the pattern of the Met Department and the amount of and the chance of precipitation. So if it's over 50, consider that a good chance of rain. If it's below 50, which is the case after 3 p.m., which I think is where you will see some real action happening. So if this weather warning, or if this yellow warning comes true, then you might just see some overs lost in the beginning of the day. What might also happen is that, because in England it is summer, the light is still there till the sun sets at around 8-9 p.m. in the night. So you can still get a game till 7-7:30 in the evening. So will that cause overs being lost or not is something we have to wait and watch. But as for the weather prediction, there is a 50% chance of rain at 10 a.m. 11 to 3 p.m. 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. there is a 70-80 chance of precipitation, which is quite a lot. We'll have to wait and watch what happens. There are still a lot of questions when it comes to the playing 11. We have our 10. We know for a fact, or let's say we have a good idea of the fact that Kuldeep Yadav might not play. But when it comes to Jasprit Bumrah, that decision is still up in the air. Yesterday in that practice session, we saw that Jasprit Bumrah had a lot of conversations with the coaching staff, be it Jasprit Bumrah, be it Gautam Gambhir with Jasprit Bumrah, Sitanshu Kotak, Morne Morkel, even Captain Shubman Gill, and he also did go to the pitch and look at it quite a few times, very, very closely. So will Jasprit Bumrah participate in this test match or not, is something we will have to wait and watch. But when it comes to the rain, will it play spoil sport, because there is a yellow prediction?